Hello students, today we are going to deal part 6 of Act 1 Scene 3. In the previous parts we studied that how Shylock mocked by calling himself a dog because Antonio many times insulted Shylock in front of the public in the public places, addressing Shylock as a dog, spat on him and also kicked him. So, instead of all those courtesies, instead of those polite actions which Shylock used the words to mean the abuses, he was ready to lend money, the loan of 3,000 ducats. Antonio confirmed that he would continue to be his enemy and he is ready. If Shylock is ready to lend money, he should lend it as to an enemy, not as to a friend. And he also confirmed that he would continue to call him a dog. He would spit on him again. He would kick him again because of his money lending business. Let's begin, student. Shylock, why look you how you storm? Here Shylock said that Antonio is losing temper and Shylock was offering his friendship with Antonio to have his love, forgetting all the shames and insults that Antonio had showered on Shylock. Forget the shames that you have stained me with. Supply your present wants and take no doit of usance of my monies, and you will not hear me this kind I offer. So he said that Shylock said that he is ready to lend him money without taking even a small interest on his money. But Antonio is not listening to him, and it is the kindness that Shylock is offering to Antonio. This were kindness. So what is the kindness? Lending the money without interest is referred to be as kindness. Shylock, this kindness will I show go with me to a notary. Notary is a lawyer. Seal me there your single bond. Single bond, students underline. Single bond refers to a bond signed by one man. And in a merry sport means pleasant joke. So what is this merry clause that Shylock is going to put in the document? So the merry clause which Shylock is going to put in the document is that if Antonio did not pay the money on the day and place mentioned, Shylock had the right to take a pound of Antonio's flesh to be cut off from any part of his body. You can find here expressed in the condition, let the forfeit means penalty, be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in part of your body pleaseth me. So this was the condition that Shylock is going to put in the bond if Antonio failed to repay the money on the bond day and place mentioned. Antonio, content thy faith means certainly he was agreeing to sign the bond, such bond, and say there is much kindness in the Jew. So Antonio is ready to sign such a bond and say that the Jew is kind. Bassanio, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity. Bassanio was not reacting much. He was very quiet because he badly needed the money. But now after listening the kind deal of Shylock, he understood that Shylock is very cunning and had planned to risk the life of Antonio. So showing concern towards Antonio, his best friend, Bassanio denied to sign any such clauses for him, any such bond for him, and he would prefer to live with whatever he had. Antonio, why fear not, man? I will not forfeit it. Antonio was overconfident about his uh, about his ships. He was overconfident that within 2 months, means a month before the bond expires, he was going to earn, he expected to return thrice 3 times the value of this bond. Thrice 3 times means 9 times the value of the bond. So this shows Antonio's overconfidence that he would not have to pay the penalty, the bond, as within 2 months, a month before the bond expires, he expected the return of 9 times the value of the loan, that is 3,000 ducats. Shylock, O Father Abraham, what these Christians are, whose own hard dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of others. Pray you tell me this. If he should break this day, what should I gain by the exaction of this forfeiture? A pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, profitable neither as flesh of muttons, beefs, or goats, I say. To buy his favor, I extend this friendship. This extract is very important, students. Father Abraham was the ancestor of the Jewish people. He is considered by them as sacred. So, Shylock feels that the Christians have no kindness in their dealings. Others are kind. So, he is referring the Christians that they suspect other people of having some plotting against them. So, Shylock feels that Christians have no kindness, but to justify the motives of Shylock, to convince Bassanio, Shylock says that he would gain nothing by a pound of a man's flesh taken from a man, as a pound of mutton will bring him better price than a pound of human flesh. So he considered that taking human flesh is worthless for Shylock. Taking Antonio's flesh would give him no profit. This offer he is making just to win Antonio's friendship, and he is not plotting against him. But we know that Shylock is very cunning and opportunist, and he has already planned to risk Antonio's life. He has already plotted against Antonio's life. Yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. So Antonio overconfidently was not, and he was not very prudent. That already we had learned about Antonio, that he is not much wise in his dealings. He agreed to sign the bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at the notary's. Then Shylock said Antonio to meet him soon at the notary's office and inform him about this funny bond. Give him direction of this merry bond, and I will go and purse the ducats straight. So Antonio was going home to put the ducats at once in the purse to make the ducats safe at home, left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave. Unthrifty means unreliable, knave means servant, and presently I will be with you. So Shylock informed them that he was going to put the ducats at home and see that his home is safe, because he had left it in the careless charge, a careless hand of an unreliable servant, and he would join them soon. Antonio, hi thee means hurry up, gentle Jew. The Hebrew will turn, then exit Shylock. The Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind. Antonio is saying to Bassanio that the Jew will soon become a Christian, and for he is becoming generous, for he is becoming kind. Bassanio, I like not fair terms and a villain's mind. Actually, Bassanio has doubts about Shylock's kindness. So he is not trusting the words of Shylock. Antonio, come on. In this there can be no dismay. Antonio was trying to convince Bassanio that there is nothing to fear because his ships will be back a month before the day which has been agreed upon in the bond. Then they also leave. Bassanio and Antonio also exit from the place. Students, I hope you have understood this scene. Please read it properly. The explanations given by me, the word meanings, write down properly somewhere and then revise it thoroughly. Thank you.